Have you ever wondered how the myriad of life forms on our planet came to be? How is it that we share this world with such a diverse array of organisms, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales? Let's embark on a journey exploring the fascinating world of evolutionary theory, a scientific concept that offers profound insights into the diversity and complexity of life. This theory unravels the intricate tapestry of life, tracing the threads of existence back to our common ancestors. It's a tale of survival, adaptation, and genetic change, unfolding over vast eons of time. The concept of evolution isn't just about the past, it's also about the present and the future. It shapes our understanding of the world today and provides a roadmap for how life might continue to evolve. This journey will reveal the beauty of nature's grand design and the intricate mechanisms that drive life's unending dance of change. To delve into this, we must first understand the key components of the evolution theory. At the core of the evolution theory are four key components: common ancestry, natural selection, adaptation, and genetic change. The first pillar, common ancestry, posits that all life on Earth shares a common ancestor. Picture a vast, branching tree of life, its roots reaching back billions of years to the first simple organisms. Every branch, every twig, every leaf represents a species, all interconnected through the passage of time. Next, we have natural selection, the driving force behind evolution. Imagine a herd of deer living in an area with heavy snowfall. The deer with thicker, warmer fur are more likely to survive the harsh winters and reproduce, passing on their genes for thick fur to their offspring. Over time, the deer population becomes more adapted to the cold, a perfect showcase of natural selection at work. This brings us to the third pillar, adaptation. It's all about how organisms become better suited to their environment. Those deer we talked about, their thick fur is an adaptation to their cold environment, a trait that increases their chances of survival and reproduction. From the long neck of a giraffe to the sharp claws of a tiger, adaptations are the physical manifestations of evolution in action. Lastly, we have genetic change. Evolution isn't just about survival of the fittest, it's also about change over time, and that change happens at a genetic level. Mutations, genetic recombination, and other genetic processes introduce variation into a species' gene pool. This genetic diversity is the raw material upon which natural selection acts, shaping the course of evolution. These four pillars, common ancestry, natural selection, adaptation, and genetic change, work together, forming the intricate tapestry of life as we know it. They explain not just why we have such an incredible diversity of life on Earth, but also how species can change and adapt over time. Now that we have a basic understanding of these components, let's examine the evidence supporting the theory of evolution. A scientific theory is supported by evidence, and the theory of evolution is no exception. The breadth of evidence supporting evolution is as vast as life itself, encompassing everything from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest land animals. One of the most tangible pieces of evidence is fossil records. Fossils provide a chronological history of life on Earth, showcasing the gradual changes within species and the emergence of new ones over time. These fossilized remains and impressions of organisms from the past are like a time machine, revealing the grandeur and intricacy of life's evolutionary journey. Next, we have embryonic similarities. Have you ever noticed how embryos of different species look strikingly similar during certain stages of development? This is because they all follow a common developmental plan, a testament to our shared ancestry. It's like nature's blueprint, guiding the formation of diverse life forms. Then we have homologous organs. These are organs with similar structures in different species, like the wings of a bat and the arms of a human. Despite their different functions, their similar structures suggest a common evolutionary origin. It's as if nature is an architect, using the same basic design to create different yet related forms. On a more microscopic level, molecular similarities provide compelling evidence. The DNA and protein sequences of different species often show striking similarities. These genetic connections hint at our shared heritage, written in the language of life itself. Lastly, we have biogeography. The geographical distribution of organisms around the world is not random. Species in similar environments often develop similar traits, a phenomenon known as convergent evolution. It's like nature's way of saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. These pieces of evidence, among others, provide strong support for the theory of evolution. From fossils to DNA, from embryos to ecosystems, the signs of evolution are all around us. Every piece of evidence tells a story, contributing to the grand narrative of life's evolution on Earth. So the next time you marvel at the diversity and complexity of life, remember, it's all part of the beautiful tapestry of evolution. The theory of evolution has had a profound impact on how we understand life. This statement rings true across various scientific disciplines. It's like finding a key to decipher the intricate code of life, illuminating the connections that bind us all in the grand tapestry of existence. Let's delve into the world of biology first. Evolution theory is the cornerstone of this field, providing a framework for interpreting biological diversity. It helps us understand why organisms are the way they are, how they adapt to their environment, and how new species emerge. This knowledge is crucial in various areas of biology, from conservation efforts to medical research. Turning the page to paleontology, the study of fossils, evolution theory offers a timeline, a historical record of life on Earth. It's akin to a detective using clues from the past to solve a mystery. With evolution theory, paleontologists can trace the ancestry of species, understand how they've changed over time, and even predict future evolutionary trends. In the realm of genetics, the theory of evolution is equally influential. It provides an explanation for the diversity of genetic material we see in different organisms. Furthermore, it helps geneticists to understand how mutations and genetic variations contribute to the evolution of species. The theory of evolution also sheds light on the role of natural selection in shaping our genetic makeup. Moreover, evolution theory has helped us understand the relationships between different organisms. It has revealed that all life forms share a common ancestry, emphasizing our interconnectedness in the web of life. This realization has profound implications, not just scientifically, but philosophically and ethically as well. The complexity of life is another area where the theory of evolution has brought clarity. It explains how simple organisms can evolve into more complex ones over time, offering a scientific rationale for the intricate and diverse forms of life we see today. So the next time you marvel at the diversity of life on our planet, remember the theory of evolution and its role in shaping our understanding of life. Whether we're curiously observing a tiny insect, admiring the majesty of a towering tree, or contemplating the complexity of our own human nature, the theory of evolution is there, guiding our understanding and appreciation of the natural world. As we have seen, the theory of evolution provides a comprehensive framework for understanding the diversity and complexity of life. It's a narrative that begins with a simple concept: common ancestry. All life forms, from the smallest microbe to the largest mammal, are part of a grand family tree, tracing back to a single primordial ancestor. Under the watchful eyes of natural selection, species have adapted and evolved, with traits beneficial for survival favored and passed down to subsequent generations. This process of adaptation, driven by environmental pressures, ensures the survival of the fittest. Our understanding of evolution is grounded in a wealth of evidence, including fossil records, embryonic similarities, homologous organs, molecular similarities, and biogeography. These pieces of evidence, like pieces of a complex jigsaw puzzle, come together to form a compelling picture of life's history and progression. So, evolution is not just a theory, it's the story of life itself, a story that continues to unfold with each passing day.